We have got two Borla Atak crate mufflers on this Trail Boss. This is a catback true dual exhaust setup, and the resonator screens are gone. Let's climb under the truck and check it out. Here's one of the catalytic converters, and you can see it cuts across, and there is the other one. The pipes then come there, and they go straight over that bar down that way. And then it ends up right there at the two Borla Atak mufflers. And then when it comes out, it splits right there. Here's the passenger side exit. Here's the driver's side exit. And you can see the resonator screens are gone. Just so you know, this is a directional muffler. So this is the inlet side, and here on the back where the Borla engraving is, that is the outlet side. I hope y'all enjoyed all those sound clips. That Borla Atak sound never gets old. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.